Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to claim Twitch drops. In order to claim Twitch drop, you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, log into a Twitch account and set your status online. So you can do this by going to your profile settings and then you could go ahead and tap on settings and then you could go ahead and turn on your online settings. Once you've done that, you need to go ahead and watch a participating streaming for a set amount of time to earn progress towards your drop. Then next thing what you need to do is you need to wait for a notification at the top of the Twitch navigation. When you've received 100% progress, you could go to your Twitch inventory and select claim now. So to go to your inventory, you need to go and press the profile, and here you could either locate this option that says drops and rewards. You could go ahead and here you could find the inventory section over here, and you can see that they mention many drops you receive are accessed within their corresponding game. You could log in into the game to experience a new content, and you may have a limited time to connect accounts and redeem your drops. You could also go ahead and manage your connection here. So you could go ahead and learn more about the drops by tapping on learn more at the bottom. So you could go to this page and then you can claim your Twitch drop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.